In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch rename files in Adobe Bridge. If you've ever struggled with a folder full of confusing file names, this workflow will help you rename everything quickly and consistently while keeping full control over where your files go and how they're labeled. First, open Adobe Bridge and navigate to the folder that contains the files you want to rename. Select the files you want to include. When you're ready, go up to the menu bar and choose Tools, then Batch Rename. That opens the Batch Rename window, which is where you'll set up exactly how the new names should look. Let's start with the destination. You can keep the renamed files in the same folder, move them to another folder, or create copies with new names in a different location. If you want to be extra safe and keep your originals intact, choose Copy to Other folder. Click Browse to pick a destination if you're moving or copying. Rename in. Same folder is the most direct, while Move helps you organize and relocate in one go. Next is the new File Names section, where you design the naming structure. You can combine multiple elements to build a clear, predictable pattern. Add fixed text if you want a project label, include a sequence number to automatically number files like 001, 002, and so on. And insert date/time if you want capture or modification dates in the name. You can also incorporate the original file name or parts of metadata to retain useful context. Use the plus button to add as many elements as you need, and the minus button to remove anything you don't want. Aim for a format that's meaningful and easy to sort. If you need to clean up existing names, use string substitution. This lets you search for a specific chunk of text and replace it with something better. It's perfect for removing prefixes or fixing typos across all files at once. For advanced users, regular expressions are supported, which is powerful for complex patterns. Under Options, consider preserving the current file name in XMP metadata. This stores the original name for archival or reference. Also check compatibility settings to ensure your new names follow Windows or Mac naming rules, which helps avoid illegal characters if you're sharing across systems. Before you commit, look at the preview at the bottom. It shows a side-by-side of the current and new names so you can catch mistakes. If everything looks right, click Rename and let Bridge do the work. That's it. Fast, organized, and consistent.